open Blender, new general, select everything by hitting A, delete, hit Shift A, mesh, circle, hit tab to go to edit mode, select this vertex, Ctrl I to invert the selection, hit delete, vertices, choose the remaining one and extrude it along the axis. Right now hit A to select them all, right click subdivide, change the number of cuts to 2, select those vertices, hit SZ to scale the selected vertices to make them closer. Move them along y-axis and don't forget to see the shortcuts. Right now this one, it's the profile of the screw. Choose the screw modifier and change the number as you see. This number is important to be sure that the first screw it's aligned with the second one. I mean, this point should be aligned or should be close to each other. After that, just apply the modifier. Press tab to go to edit mode, then go to see the status. Go in here, status, you will see the number of vertices. Select all by hitting A, 260. So right now we have to merge them, A, M by distance, and change the number here. Okay, the number in the status is different. That means it worked. To be sure, select one of the vertices and try to move it like this. G, move it. So it worked. This is good. Go to edge mode and select Asmia. Control. Hit E, Z to extrude them and Z axis 2 times. Right now you have to make the edge in the same level in the axis, so hit S, scale, Z, Z axis and 0. Perfect. Right now we have to fix the empty part, so just follow me. Merge them together. Hit M at center. Subdivide this edges, this edge. Bridge the edges with each other. Do the same here. Still we have an issue here, so let's fix it. hit J to join the vertices here, and do the same here. Subdivide this edge, join the vertices here, and do the same in this part. Perfect. So right now we have 4 vertices for every area. So right now we will do the same here. Now just follow me. Select the edge by hitting Alt and extruded Z axis one time. Maybe right now we can scale it a little in Z axis. And add subdivision modifier. Okay, cool. Okay, right now you just follow me and don't forget to see the shortcuts. Extrude this edges in the axis. Scale it a little, and maybe we can move it on Z axis. Then hit F to fill it. Let's add some edges here. Ctrl R to make the shape sharp. And set this a little. Hit I 2 times maybe. Hit Control plus hit Shift D to duplicate it, escape, and hit P to separate it from the original one. Now follow me. Select this edge and fill it. Okay, to make it sharp. Right now, select this face again, extend it and duplicate it, and spread the duplication for the second part. Right now, just follow me. Control B to bevel the edge, add more lines by moving the wheel of the mouse. and select those faces. Extrude them toward normals by hit Alt E. Save the file so we can work on it for the texturing and animation after finishing this series. Now you can download the file from the link below. It's a free file. If you like the video, support me by like it and subscribe.